Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Decker. I'm going to practice reading this sight word book with you for the word for, F-O-R, for. But you're going to notice that this sight word book is a little bit more challenging than some of the ones that we've already read. And there are a lot more sight words in here that we can practice besides just for, but we're going to mainly look for the word for, okay? The title of this book is Each Will Get. And I'm already kind of thinking, as good readers do, each will get what? What will get what? What are they talking about? So I'm thinking maybe something to do with animals, and he's feeding animals. Maybe each of the animals will get some kind of food. So you could take a picture walk through this book first, but we're going to jump right into reading it. So if you ever do want to pause it or turn the sound off so that you can not hear my voice, but either picture walk or try to read the words yourself, you are welcome to do that. That's one of the choices that you have. But for now, with the sound on, I am going to read through this book with you, okay? Here are some words that we're going to find in the book. There's the word each, get, which is one we've worked on, from, find, them, and many. Many is actually going to be one of our sight words next week. Some other ones are will, a, from, him, her, for, which is the word we're going to be looking for, she, and he. And then here's just some story words that you're going to see. We're not going to go over those right now, but we're going to use our eagle eye to help us sound out some of those tricky words, okay? Here we go. Here's the first page. Follow along with me and read as much as you can with me. We'll find these sight words. Each dog will get a bone from her. She will find many bones for them. There's the word for. And I'm noticing when there's just one bone, it's just B-O-N-E. But when there's more than one, she added an S to the end. Bone becomes bones. That might be a pattern that we might want to pay attention to in this story. Next page. Each rabbit will get a carrot from him. He will find many carrots for them. So there again, she added the S when there was to show that there was more than one. Here's our sight word for. And there's that word many. We're going to be talking about that word next week, so that's pretty smart that we're seeing that now. Each squirrel will get a nut from her. She will find many nuts for them. Each bird will get a worm from him. He will find many worms for them. There's the word for. Each monkey will get a banana from her. She will find many bananas for them. Each horse will get an apple from him. He will find many apples for them. Don't forget that S at the end when we're showing more than one. Each frog will get a bug from her. She will find many bugs for them. Ew, that's what frogs eat. We can learn a lot about what animals eat from this book too. Each seal will get a fish from him. He will find many fish for them. And that is the end of our story for Each Will Get. I hope you will go back through and turn the sound off or pause each page and practice pointing to each word and reading it yourself. Be sure you pay extra attention to this sight word right here, F-O-R, for. And next week, you can get a head start on this word, many, M-A-N-Y, many. Good job today, boys and girls, and happy reading.